Just another quick one with the shaky cam, as Mike Pfeiffer puts it. Okay, this point here is from the other power district. So what I'm going to do is I'll back that right up, and that power district will feed this Pico electrofrog, and then the power district will end at this point. With the other turnout, I've got to move, this is Michaelson Junction 03 feed. That has to be moved this way since it's going to be in this area generally. Okay, so I need to move that feed here, and then it'll feed this both ways, and then remove that end of the power district there and let it come all the way up to, excuse me, that point. Then I need to add in between here this short track that'll go there, which is roughly this size. I need to add another feeder right here. So that'll come off of one bus or the other, whichever one I can get at underneath. But that's kind of sort of the electrical things that need to be changed over here. It's not terribly hard, but it just needs to be done. So that'll be the next thing to do, and then we'll finish installation. Bye. To get started with the electrical, I first have to desolder this feeder here, both sides. And I've already double checked the colors. This is red on this side and green or black on the other side. So that's the first thing I got to do. And I use these as heat sinks. If you go back to part 2 of my Santa Fe freight station from, I think it was end of May of last year, you'll see more details what I do for desoldering and soldering. But typically for track, I use my Weller set on 3.5, and that seems to be the correct temperature for this. So I'll go ahead and do this, and then we'll get back to showing what I'm doing. After doing a quick desoldering, and no, there's no power on there, I went ahead and did some measurements. This is the other turnout with the sections already cut. I've had everything in here, so I know everything fits. So now what I'm doing is I'm now putting down the cork road bed in between. I'll give it a little touch of paint, and so I've been testing just looking at the couple of different cars on the track, and everything fits. The only thing is, once this is all in place, this turnout over here, then I'll go ahead and add that section up there. But so we'll just need to let this dry, and we'll be back.